Like this, Hannah. Like this. Are you tired? Hannah's tired? Really? Hannah wants to sleep? Hannah? Where's your juice? Which one? What is that? No, what juice is that? No, I said what type of juice? No. This one? It's not apple, Hannah. I guess it's cherry. Cherry, yeah, right? But this one is orange. Right? Is that orange? And this is mango. Mango juice. And this is orange. Say hi. Hannah, say hi. Dito kami live sa Zar. Dating punong-puno po ito. Pero ngayon, ganito na lang. Empty na siya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ito yung laging tambayan ng mga Pinoy. Mura na kasi eh. Mura kasi yung mga pagkain dito. Mag-a-afford lang. And sa mga may busa dyan, afford kasi may pera. Pero sa mga walay diyoy, wala. Nga. Ganito yung mga presyohan dito. Oh, hello, Daddy. Daddy. Huwag ako.